Module 4 deals with the standard normal distribution, applications of the standard normal distribution, and the central limit theorem. So here you see, upon completion of this module, you will be able to, and there's a list of 5 different objectives that you are expected to do by the end of this module. And here is a list of how to achieve those objectives. You read through the textbook and the lecture notes provided below in the resource book. Watch or view all lecture videos, both instructor created and videos from the textbook. I really recommend the instructor created videos as they have very good steps on how to use the graphing calculator, which is how you should be completing all of the problems in Chapter 6. You should not be using the tables that are explained or discussed in the textbook. Complete the homework assignments for Chapter 6 on MyStatLab once you've looked through all the resources in the resource book below. And then after you're done with the homework assignments on MyStatLab, you complete Module 4 quiz. So here is your resource book. You have textbook readings, lecture notes, and lecture videos for all 3 sections that are covered in Chapter 6. And then the very last thing you see here is Module 4 quiz. You'll have 2 attempts on this quiz and 15 minutes for each attempt. There's going to be 10 questions, and so you should have completed the homework before you attempt this quiz. So you've gotten some practice beforehand. And that is it for Module 4.